of that tree. Asante sana umejuaje sio? Those agents of the ecology, I mean of the ecosystem, for instance, the birds, like Kizazo, as I mentioned before, the hornbill, and other hornbills and other birds which are fruit eaters, they be visiting the trees because the trees sometimes they fruit, they blossom flowers and they bear fruits. So they eat the fruits, and then when they poop, let's say they're sitting on the rock, like this rock here, they sit on top of it, and then when they're sitting there, they poop. When they poop is where now the germination of the seed starting to grow. So nature is very clever, nature is very amazing, nature is very incredible. You know, that seed is growing on the rock where you see it's dry, it's very hard rock. But what it does, it will be having the very quick dropping roots, which the roots will be penetrating, looking for the crevices on the rock where there is very small particles of soil, and then it will be consuming the minerals which are found there, and together with water, especially during night when the temperature falls. There is some sort of water you come and find on the rock, and then the roots are very quickly growing downward. Yeah. Geotropism, if you remember when you were in school or in college, geotropism, that means the force which is pulling roots downward instead of going upward. The leaves are going upward, that is phototropism, but the roots are pulled downward to the to the soil, that is geotropism. So the roots are quickly growing, going to the ground, and then when they get there now, the tree is starting to grow and becomes like that one you see there. Wow. And then the roots are very strong that they can strangle the rock, you see, and even break it. So this is why I told you that everyone in Serengeti has got the recycler. Everyone is in the circle of life. So Richard, that's how, as you asked, that's how things are. That's how the rocks, that's how the trees we call the rock figs are growing on the rocks. You never find them growing somewhere else or anywhere else. They are on the rocks. Serengeti shall never die.
Wow. Yeah. How do you make new rocks?